Hey everyone, imagine we have a table like this one, and we have an unusual assignment. We need to find the row where the second column, the title column, has the exact text B. We don't want to accidentally match the first row that also includes B in the second column. We want to precisely find the B text in the second column's cell. And I'll show two different ways of doing this. And the first one, I always use cy.contains command whenever I have to work with text. So I can say contains, and the first one will be selector table, the body of the table, because I don't want to accidentally look at the title row. And now I want to find the cell, which is td element. And when I want to match the text precisely, I'll use a regular expression and I'll say, okay, it starts with a text and then ends. That's it. Now, if we just use this particular expression, then it works. It does find that cell, but unfortunately, it doesn't enforce the fact that it has to be in the second column, right? We can expand the selector in this case, and we can add nth-child and then index 2, first column, second column. So now it will only look at the text in the second column. If you don't believe me, let's remove this, right? And notice that now it actually matched the first. So it does consider only the second column. And we can see all the cells that match by using cy.get, because cy.get returns all elements matching the selector, cy.contains returns the first element matching the selector and giving text or regular expression. Okay, well, we found the cell and now we need to get to its parent row, and we can confirm something in that row, like this data k attribute using attribute assertion data k, and the value should be 2. So we know that we found second row. Perfect. Now here's an alternative way of doing this. Instead of finding the cell and then going to its parent, why don't we find the parent row first? So we can get table, body, and all row elements. And now we can filter using cy.filter command. And we can pass a callback. The first is an index, which we will ignore. And the second argument is the actual element, the row. And we will look at the row's children, and this will be cells. And we're only looking at the second child, and we are only interested in the elements that have the exact text B. Okay, now the cool thing about this, so the get will return all rows, the filter will pare it down to hopefully just one row, and then we'll confirm the attribute. And we can hover and see that we got 2 rows. We filter them towards one row where the second cell is B, and then we confirm that we found the right row. So find this and many more recipes and examples at my Cypress example site that I will link in the description of this video.